Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Frigidaire EFIC117 ice maker is not making ice, stuck on any kind of error or not responding at all, a proper reset is certainly going to resolve most of these issues. So in order to reset it, first of all, you need to start by powering off the ice maker. After doing so, simply unplug it from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for about 5 to 10 minutes, and this allows the internal system to fully reset. While it is off, you can remove the ice basket and pour out any remaining water from the reservoir, and this is going to help prevent the system from restarting with the incorrect sensors reading. Now with the unit still unplugged, you can also press and hold the power button for a few seconds, and this is also going to help discharge any leftover power, and it also ensures a deeper reset. After that, you need to plug the machine back in and turn it on. Fill the reservoir with the fresh water and let the machine run a full cycle without any interruption. This allows the system to recalibrate properly. So that's how you can basically reset it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.